Hello, good morning dear students. So, today in this video, we are going to deal with our first unit from the book Honeycomb class 7th. So, dear students, we know that every person has some kind of questions in his or her mind. If you are working, if you are studying, if you are doing anything, right? A person who has doing something, he has questions, lot of questions in his or her mind. If you are studying, right, at that time you have questions that how you can receive a good marks, how you can achieve first rank in your class, right, how you can do your best. If someone is working somewhere, at the same time he has some kind of question that how he or she can present his or herself best, how he or she can do best for his or her company or his or her school or his or her हॉस्पिटल. सो माई भी हम कुछ करते हैं उसे और अच्छा कैसे करें, राइट उसे और अच्छे से प्रेजेंट करने के लिए हमारे माइंड में आइडियाज़ आते रहते हैं, क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, राइट. और बिकॉज ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चंस, वो क्वेश्चंस जो हमें होते हैं और उसका सॉल्यूशन हम निकालते हैं और वो सॉल्यूशन से ही हम कुछ अच्छा कर पाते हैं, राइट डियर स्टूडेंट्स. सो टुडे इन आवर वीडियो we are discuss about our first chapter and the title of the lesson is 3 questions. Title of the lesson is 3 questions. The title says that the lesson is about 3 questions. The writer of the lesson is Leo Tolstoy. Who is the writer of the lesson? Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy here present one story in which we find that someone has 3 questions in his or her mind. Someone. Who is that? We don't know. We go ahead. At that time we understand, right? So here the writer present one story which is related or which is based on 3 main questions. Dear students, before we start our lesson, let me introduce some new words. The first word is kingdom. A country that is ruled by king or queen. A country that is ruled by a king or a queen. Students, you know the word king or queen, right? आपको पता है king और queen क्या है. But what is the meaning of kingdom? A country that is ruled by a queen or a king, right? One particular space, one particular place, one particular state or one particular country. A person, a king or queen is ruled a place and that place is called his or her kingdom. उनका जो रूल करने का एरा है, उनका जो रूल करने की कंट्री है, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? किंगडम. सेकेंड वन इज काउंसिल. द वर्ड काउंसिल मीन्स ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल chosen to give advice or to make rules. A group of people, it means a team. A team that is chosen to give advice. जब भी हमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, if whenever we are find some difficulties, so when we are feeling mentally disturbed or physically disturbed, at that time we are going to the counselor, right? Or he or she can gives us advice for our betterment. So council means a group of people who are chosen to give advice to the people. Third one is counselor, member of the council, right? A person who is chosen to give advice or who is the member of the council. Council क्यों बनाया जाता है? It's a group or it's a team of people who can give the advice to the people, right? So counselor is a member of that council. Next one is hermit. A person who lives alone and leads a simple life. hermit means a person who lives alone, जो कि अकेले में रहता है और simple life जी रहा होता है. Next one is wood or woods. Wood means a small forest. Wood means a small forest. Next one is affairs. Affairs means things, matters or business. Things, matters or business. Next one is beds. Small patches of ground for plants. Small patches on ground for plants, it is called beds. And the last one is digging. Digging means make a hole in the ground. Make a hole in the ground. So now dear students, these are some words which I thought that you have to know its meaning. Now here I am going to revise it again. Take a screenshot of it and write down in your notebook with its meaning. The first word which we discuss is kingdom, second is council, third is counselor, and fourth is hermit. Write down these words in your notebook. Fifth one is woods, affairs, beds and digging. So we have total 8 words. Open your notebook, write down the title of the unit and then write the heading, difficult words or new words or glossary, whatever you like, and then write down the words and its meaning. So now let's start our lesson. Are you ready all? Yes, very good. So in this chapter we have total 2 parts. We have discussed first part today. Now I am going to read the lesson. Please listen it very carefully. Chapter 1, 3 questions. Part 1. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were: what is right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. Many wise men came to the kingdom, but they all answered him questions differently. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet, others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly. Without help from others, the right time for every action. So as we go through this part, we came to know that here the writer is talking about one king. The writer Leo Tolstoy is talking about one king. And in the very first paragraph, we came to know about the 3 questions, right? 3 questions. Which are they? The first one is, what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? And what is the most important thing for him to do? The king has these main 3 questions in his mind. Why these 3 questions? Because the king wants to grow more, to achieve more, and he thought continuously that if he want to grow, if he want to achieve something more, what he can do? अगर उसको कुछ प्राप्त करना है, उसको कुछ चाहिए और ज़्यादा उसको बड़ा बनना है और ज़्यादा कमाना है और ज़्यादा पैसे चाहिए और ज़्यादा किंगडम और ज़्यादा प्लेस उसे चाहिए किंगडम करने के लिए, तो उसे क्या करना पड़ेगा? सो व्हाट इज़ द राइट टाइम टू बिगिन समथिंग? कुछ भी कार्य करने के लिए सही समय कौन सा है? राइट स्टूडेंट्स, you have a right time to study right now, right? You have so long vacations, right? Or if you are doing something, this is the right time to do. If you have wanted to improve your English, if you have wanted to improve your reading skill, if you have wanted to improve your speaking skill, so this is the right time to do, right? We know that you are studying, right? But because of the burden of your parents बोलते रहते हैं कि पढ़ाई करो पढ़ाई करो पढ़ाई करो, बट आप लोग सुनते हो, कभी सुनते हो और कभी नहीं सुनते. इट्स अ 50%, राइट? बट इफ़ यू वांटेड टू receive some goals, right? If you have wanted to receive your goal, if you are wanted to achieve your dreams, so this is the right time to start working on it, right? The second question is, which people should he listen to? उसे किसकी बात सुननी चाहिए, है ना? हमें किसकी बात सुननी चाहिए? हमारे एल्डर्स की, हमारे टीचर्स की, राइट? बिकॉज दे ऑलरेडी नो द सिचुएशन, वो ऑलरेडी उस सिचुएशन में से पास हो चुके हैं, सो ही नो बेटर. बट हम किसके सुनते हैं? हमारे फ्रेंड्स की, राइट? सो हियर द किंग हैज़ क्वेश्चन, विच पीपल शुड ही लिसन टू. एंड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, what is the most important thing for him to do? उसके लिए important thing क्या है करने के लिए? कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है, कौन सा ऐसा कार्य है जो उसे करना चाहिए, राइट? आपके पास कौन सा ऐसा कार्य है जो आपको करना चाहिए अभी? स्टडी ओनली, राइट? बिकॉज स्टडी इज़ द ओनली थिंग जो आपको आगे तक लेके जाएगी, बहुत आगे, राइट? सो इन द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ we know that the king has 3 questions and he is trying to find his answers. So what he did, उसने क्या किया वो आंसर्स पाने के लिए? The king therefore sent messengers. उस टाइम पे किंग के पास फ़ोन था? नहीं था. वो व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर सकता था? नहीं कर सकता था. वो सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पे पोस्ट कर सकता था कि मुझे ये आंसर्स चाहिए, आप मुझे मैसेज करो, डीएम करो? नहीं. सो व्हाट द वे ही चूजन, ही सेंट हिज मैसेंजर्स थ्रू आउट हिज किंगडम. उसने अपनी कंट्री में अपने जो मैसेंजर्स थे उनको भेजा और क्या बोला? क्या उन्होंने उन मैसेंजर्स को क्या कहा कि इफ़ समवन हैज़ आंसर्स ऑफ माई क्वेश्चंस, अगर कोई मेरे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मुझे ढूंढ के देता है तो किंग उन्हें क्या देंगे? अ लार्ज सम ऑफ मनी. क्या मिलेगा उन्हें? लार्ज सम ऑफ मनी. मैनी वाइज मैन केम टू द किंगडम. सो ये सब सुन के बहुत सारे लोग आए, राइट? अगर हमें कोई ऑफर करता है ऐसे पैसे, तो अगर हमारे पास आंसर नहीं है फिर भी हम आइडियाज़ देने चले जाते हैं, है ना? सो सिमिलर वे द सम ऑफ द मैन केम टू द किंग टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस, राइट? सब लोग आ गए किंग के क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देने के लिए. बट एवरीवन रिप्लाइज हिम डिफरेंटली. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि सबका आइडियाज सेम ही हो. Different people has different ideas in his or her mind. So the way of thinking is different from people to people, right? So many people came, many wise men came, but they all answered him differently. सबने अलग अलग अपने तरीके से आंसर्स देने स्टार्ट कर दिया. In reply to the first question, someone said king must prepare a timetable. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या था किंग का? व्हाट इज़ द राइट टाइम टू बिगिन समथिंग. कुछ भी कार्य करने के लिए राइट टाइम कौन सा है? सो समवन हैज़ गिवन द आइडिया और सजेशन दैट द किंग मस्ट बी प्रिपेयर अ टाइम टेबल. यू ऑल हैव द टाइम टेबल, राइट, इन योर स्कूल. वाई? बिकॉज विद द टाइम टेबल वी आर डूइंग और वी आर गोइंग वेरी परफेक्टली. अगर हमारे पास टाइम टेबल है तो हम लोग परफेक्टली उसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं और परफेक्टली हम जा सकते हैं, राइट? अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम टेबल हमारा काम और भी ईजी हो जाता है. सो वन मैन सजेस्टेड द किंग दैट ही मस्ट बी प्रिपेयर अ टाइम टेबल, और इफ़ ही फॉलो इट स्ट्रिक्टली देन ही गॉट द आंसर. Then others said that it was impossible to decide in advance, right? कुछ भी करने के लिए राइट टाइम कौन सा है? वो एडवांस में डिसाइड करना वो गलत है और वो एडवांस में डिसाइड हो ही नहीं सकता. इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. द किंग शुड नोटिस ऑल व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. किंग ने क्या कर रहा था जब सब लोग आंसर्स दे रहे थे? व्हेन पीपल आर आंसरिंग द किंग वॉज नोटिसिंग ऑल दैट थिंग्स. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and the only magician could do that. The king therefore would have to go to the magicians. Now, so here in this para, one person has given the idea or given a suggestion that the king have to go to the magician, because a magician is the only person who can do this or who can answer these questions. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. Now what is the third question? What is the most important thing for him to do? उससे कौन सी ऐसी ज़रूरी चीज़ है जो उसे करनी चाहिए? So as a king, someone suggested or someone said that science, उसे साइंस पे फोकस करना चाहिए. Others said that fighting, because he was a king, so fighting is a part of his life. And yet others said that religious worship, उसे क्या करनी चाहिए? Religious worships करनी चाहिए. As the answers of his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So, After all these answers, after listen all these answers, the king was not satisfied at all, and he gave no rewards to anyone. Now, after all this happened, right? So the king decided to seek the advice of certain hermit. Certain hermit. We know the meaning of hermit, right? You know the meaning. What is the meaning of hermit? A person who lives alone, जो कि अकेला रहता है और बहुत ही सिंपल लाइफ से जी रहा होता है. So a king decided to seek advice of a hermit. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people. And so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in the front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. So, the hermit's hut, first he removed his ordinary clothes. राइट उसने अपने कपड़े निकाल के, जो सिंपल कपड़े आते हैं जो कि एक हर्मिट पहनता है, वैसे कपड़े उन्होंने पहन लिए. बिफोर ही रिच्ड टू द हर्मिट्स हट, ही लेफ्ट हिज हॉर्स विथ हर बॉडीगार्ड. उसने अपने बॉडीगार्ड के पास से अपना हॉर्स रख दिया और वो चल के गए हर्मिट के पास. When the king reached there, the hermit is digging on the ground with his hut. वो पर्सन क्या कर रहा था हर्मिट? सो वो ग्राउंड में होल कर रहा था, डिगिंग द ग्राउंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज हट. ही ग्रीटेड द किंग. उन्होंने क्या किया? व्हेन ही शो द किंग, ही ग्रीटेड द किंग एंड कंटिन्यू डिगिंग. उन्होंने अपना वर्क जो था वो कंटिन्यू रखा. The king find him very old and weak. The hermit is looking very old and weak. When he walked, he breathed heavily because of the working hard, because of his working. When he is working hard at that time, he breathing very heavily. उसकी सांसें बहुत ही तेज हो चुकी थी. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? Right? So again the king revise or recall or tell the 3 questions to the hermit that I came to you. मैं आपके पास आया हूँ, wise man, because I have 3 questions and I want the answers of all these questions. So the king told that 3 questions to that hermit. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. So while the king is telling, at that time the hermit is listening, or he did not speak anything and he went on the digging. उन्होंने क्या स्टार्ट कर दिया? अपना काम कंटिन्यू रखा. You are tired, the king said to the hermit that you are tired. Or the king replies that let me take a spade and work in your place. मुझे क्या करने दो? आपके प्लेस पर काम करने दो. किसने कहा? किंग ने. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down the ground. उन्होंने क्या? When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answers, but stood up, stretching on his hand for the spade, and said, now you rest and let me work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stopped and spat into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer of my questions. If you can give me no answers, tell me so, and I will return home. Here comes something running, said the hermit. Now, after some time, the hermit said the king that give me my hunt or give me my spade. Now you can take rest and let me work. अभी आप आराम करो और मुझे काम करने दो. But the king didn't give that spade to that hermit and he continued digging. उन्होंने continue रखा. After 1 hour has been passed and then another. The sun went down to the trees. जो सन था वो भी सेट होने लगा था. And the day is almost about to finish. So again the king said to the hermit that I came to you, wise man, for an answer of my questions. मैं आपके पास क्यों आया हूँ? Because I want the answers of my question. If you can give me no answer, then tell me. If you have no answers of my question, then tell me. I will return my home, right? मैं अपने घर पे चला जाऊँगा वापस से. So here comes something running, said to the hermit. So dear students, are you enjoyed? Are you like the story? Yes? Very good. So here our first part is end. Now we'll move towards the second part in our next video. So let us recall what we discussed in this video. We discussed about the 3 questions which the king has facing, right? First one is, what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? And what is the most important thing for him to do? These are the 3 questions, and the king wanted to find out the answers of his 3 questions. So he called the wise man's, right? The wise man's answered differently, but he didn't like it. So the king went to the hermit, a person who lives a simple life, and he started working with that hermit. So here our first part end. We'll see the second part in our next video. Keep learning, stay at home, stay safe, enjoy your days, right? We will meet in our next video. Thanks for watching, dear children. Thank you.